Hey guys, today we're going to be making the most annoying sound in the world, I think. Alright, so what you're going to want to need is a piece of printer paper, a hobby knife, or scissors. Now what you're going to want to do is cut out a rectangle in your piece of paper. That looks like this. Now you're done with your paper. Now you're done with your, or no, you're not done with your knife, but you're going to want to fold it in half, like that, and then cut 2 triangles out. So, okay. Now you are done with your scissors. All you're going to want to do now is fold the flap down. So, do that. And you're done. Now what you're going to want to do is open up these flaps. Put your fingers like that. Open up the middle. Put it like that. And then blow through the middle. So sounds like that. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.